Congratulations to all Pi pioneers around the globe. We are on the verge of a monumental moment in PiNetwork's journey. In December 2024, PiNetwork will officially launch and be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, marking a pivotal moment that will forever change the landscape of digital currencies. Open Mainnet launch, a game changer in the cryptocurrency world. The launch of PiNetwork's Open Mainnet is expected to be nothing short of revolutionary. After years of innovation, testing, and meticulous preparation, PiNetwork is ready to step into the open world. This success is not just about the technology, but also the extraordinary accomplishment of a global community that has supported PiNetwork since its inception. On this historic day, social media will be buzzing with PiNetwork news, as it will mark a key milestone in cryptocurrency history. What to expect from the Open Mainnet launch? With the launch of the Open Mainnet, PiNetwork will officially transition into a fully decentralized blockchain network. Pioneers who have supported PiNetwork will be able to use their Pi coins in real-world applications, including transactions, exchanges, and many more opportunities within a growing ecosystem. This move will open doors for PiNetwork's integration into global financial platforms. PiCoin will be accessible on multiple exchanges, enabling users to trade and transact at competitive rates. This could significantly increase the adoption of PiNetwork and establish it as a key player in the digital currency space. What will happen on launch day? The Open Mainnet launch day will be a global celebration where millions of Pi pioneers from across the world will witness this historical event. News about the launch will dominate social media platforms, creating a wave of excitement and discussions that will ripple across the globe. Eyes will be fixed on PiNetwork as it steps onto the global stage in the cryptocurrency world. PiNetwork's vision for the future. Since its inception, PiNetwork has been committed to building a blockchain that is not only decentralized but also accessible to everyone. With more than 60 million active users, PiNetwork has already made a significant impact on the way people view cryptocurrency. The Open Mainnet launch in December 2024 is a testament to PiNetwork's readiness to embrace the future and push forward with its mission to democratize access to digital currency. The launch will not just mark the beginning of a new phase for PiNetwork, but also signal a broader shift in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. By making PiCoin more widely available, the network aims to foster greater inclusion and ensure that the benefits of blockchain technology reach more people around the world. Global anticipation, a new era in cryptocurrency. The excitement surrounding the launch of PiNetwork's Open Mainnet is palpable. Pi pioneers, developers, and the broader crypto community are eagerly awaiting this moment. With so many milestones already achieved, PiNetwork has proven its potential to disrupt the industry. The success of the network is a testament to the power of its global community, its dedicated team, and its unwavering vision. As the world turns its attention to the PiNetwork launch, it's clear that this event will not only be a defining moment for Pi, but also a turning point for the entire blockchain ecosystem. By positioning itself as an accessible, scalable, and decentralized network, PiNetwork is setting the stage for a future where digital currencies are a fundamental part of the global financial system. Looking ahead, a bright future for PiNetwork. As PiNetwork prepares to launch its Open Mainnet, the future looks incredibly bright. The launch will be a defining moment, not only for PiNetwork, but for the entire cryptocurrency space. With its robust ecosystem, growing community, and cutting-edge technology, PiNetwork is poised to become a major player in the blockchain revolution. The journey is far from over. The Open Mainnet launch will be just the beginning of an exciting new chapter for PiNetwork and its global pioneers. As we look ahead, the potential for growth and expansion is limitless. PiNetwork is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a vision for the future of financial freedom, powered by a decentralized, user-centric blockchain. Congratulations to all Pi pioneers. You are part of a groundbreaking movement that is shaping the future of digital currencies. The world of cryptocurrency is about to change, and PiNetwork is leading the way. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.